Give you a quick 3-minute demo of World of Cans Industry Intelligence. Here on the homepage, we have two ways to navigate. One is at the top using the mega menu, but we've also added a new side panel on desktop. On mobile, it will be on the very bottom. Here on the side panel, you have access to all of the private content, which is landscape, learning, and newsfeed. We'll start with landscape. Landscape, we have mapped out all of the cane manufacturing plants in the world, as well as a large number of suppliers that serve the industry. For can makers, we've broken up our pages based on region. We have 4 regions, as well as individual can maker. To show you what the platform looks like, we'll go ahead and look at Ball Corporation. First, at the very top, we have a map of every single one of the can factories in the Ball Global Network. And here we have a news feed. We'll cover that a little bit later. A thing that I'm very excited about, and I'll show you this through looking at the Bowling Green facility, is that we have integrated the maps with Google Earth. So we can literally see where the factory is and get a close-up view of everything that's available through Google Earth. Let's move back into the suppliers of landscape. And so we have suppliers listed by their name. We, of course, have our featured companies, as well as every single one of the companies over 200 that serve the can manufacturers. So you can go ahead and explore all of the suppliers for the can industry. Now we'll go ahead and move on to learning. And I'm going to move to my Can Maker courses page. We have built out resources for a number of the major areas of the can plant. I'll give you the demo through the body maker. We've built out e-learning that's easy to navigate. It's about 10 minutes per course, and it gives you a overview of each piece of equipment. So if we go ahead and launch the course, a fully interactive, dynamic, and responsive e-learning course appears. If we start the course, we'll see a number of sections. And again, these are easy to consume on the go at your desk, and it's a good refresher of the processes involved in can making. We've also included a number of additional resources. These are quick, short videos that give you overviews of related topics, in this case, to the body maker. Finally, we'll move over to the news feed. What we have done is found all of the publicly available news sources for the cane manufacturers and suppliers in the industry, and we monitor these feeds. Then we filter what is relevant to two-piece aluminum beverage can manufacturing. One thing that I'm excited about is the interface of the news feed. So when I click on something like this is what opens up, and I can easily scroll through the news that I have. And what we end up doing is we link to the original news source. And so if I click on this button right here, this is the new can plant that was announced by CanPack. And so this is a demo of the World of Cans Industry Intelligence. If you're interested in joining the beta, please reach out. We'll put you on the list and give you access as soon as possible. More info coming very soon.